I ordered some cheap wireless access points this weekend, and they already arrived Monday morning. You can't beat that. Free shipping and yeah, instant delivery. Yeah, next day or something. So let's open this up. The both of the access points should be here, like $5 each. So yeah, I just open it up. Uh, uh, and one. Oops. It doesn't even have a. It doesn't have a picture. Ha ha. That's funny. Wireless N Wi-Fi repeater Pro. Oh, it's the Pro version for $5. Yay. Okay. Mokium. It's a Mokium. The last of the Mokiums. Let's see the other one. Oh, the other one has a picture. Okay. Like that. Also wireless N, so very old standard. We're already at 2 gigahertz. 2 gigabits. The latest standard, and this is only 300 megabits. So yeah. Also Wi-Fi repeater. More range for every WLAN network. Wi-Fi repeater. Yeah, they are basically the same product. Yeah, let's see if it says something interesting. Coverage, support, maximum. Yeah, software wizard. Antennas integrated. Oh yeah, this one has integrated antennas. This should have external antennas, but we'll see. So these are both no name. They shouldn't have a name anymore. But yeah, let's open this up first and let's see. Ooh. Wait. Is that it? Like that. Oh, and it comes with a free cable. Oh my god. That's so generous. Network cable. That's half a meter or something. Yeah, it's kind of short, but yeah, it's gigabit. It has all the wires. So yeah, Cat 3, 6, 5, whatever. It's gigabit. And yeah, I'll do a teardown in a different video, but first let's check out what it says. Yeah, it has a MAC number. Yeah, password admin. Yeah, that's very secure. It's kind of a dirty. It's a little bit dirty. So maybe it's an open box product. Somebody else already tried it. I don't mind. I just want to see the insides. It has a button here and status LEDs. So power, connection, Wi-Fi, and this, I don't know what that is. That is also something. So yeah, this is a very minimalist product. This is the best uh, Wi-Fi repeater design. You don't have a power adapter and all those accessories that can complicate things. You just plug it into the wall, plug it in here, and it should already work. Yeah, let's see the other one. This is also not glued down, taped down. Ooh, this doesn't come with a cable, but it has a quick install guide, so it makes up for it. Yeah, and it has all the same status LEDs, kind of a nice touch. It's a soft, I don't know how to say it, it's matte material. I can't explain it any clearer. Yeah, it's nice to touch. One button and probably lights up. And it has an adapter, so you can put in a different style plug or just twist this one in a different orientation. That's useful. That's useful. Come on. But how do you put it back? Oh, like that. This is useful. Well, how come this doesn't have it? Or maybe it doesn't matter with this because it just has those tiny internal antennas and yeah. So we already see this one is much more useful. Yeah, key 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nobody will guess that. Oh, Pixlink. Is that the brand? It doesn't have a brand anywhere, but I think it's Pixlink. If it says here, yeah. Admin. Oh, and it has a different web page. That's interesting. I never saw a 7 before. Okay, yeah. So, before I even try them out, I'll do teardowns, I think. But maybe I'll break them apart if I do a teardown. I don't know. But for now, here's the unboxing and more videos will follow.